Good afternoon and welcome back to Unlocked Crafts. I have a short video for everybody for the pickup truck that I've just finished. I'm going to show you real quick down here what it looks like, the finished product. It is going to be ready for sale, and I'm going to show you how it was accomplished. It's not going to be a very long video, I'm afraid, because I lost some of my files. So I'm going to show you from the point that I restarted it to the end of the video and the completion of it. So here we go. Thank you for watching my video of the pickup truck. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you like, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button down below. And I hope you enjoyed this small training video. Have a great day.